So loves, this is it. This is sugar. Oh, how sugar. Oh, it's so nice. Sorry, I'm not eating it right, but
Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're making two treats for my family. Okay, so first of all, I'll be making this short bread. Okay, I saw this on a fellow YouTuber. I told her that I'm going to try her recipe out. Her name is Cooking with is it Enya? She's a Ghanaian YouTuber. All right, so I'm going to be putting her name somewhere in up, so you guys go check her out. She does amazing cooking videos. So she made this simple shortbread, and I decided to give this a try. So the first ingredient we had was butter and sugar. Like you mix your butter and sugar together. After this, you make it very soft to be like a creamy consistency. Okay, just like the way you are saying this one right here. Then this is the video. I'm following her step-by-step process on how she made this um shortbread. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share and comment. I'll be leaving the recipe as well in the description box. You can do well to check that out. So we added our flour in a bowl, and after this, I'll be using my cornstarch, and I'm keeping the measurement of the cornstarch I used. So I'm adding my cornstarch. These are all my dry ingredients before we mix it with the wet. So in our butter, I'm going to be adding this vanilla extract. I used 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So right now I'm just using my eyes to measure it. Okay, but you can use 1 teaspoon. I'm going to mix everything together for it to mix well. I had to transfer this in a bigger bowl. All right, so for us to mix the ingredients really well. So I'll be mixing and be adding my flour as well. This is simple ingredient you can get in your house. It's not a difficult process. So I'll be mixing it, and to get a particular consistency I want. Your flour and your sugar and your ingredients don't have to be more than each other. So after I mix, then I use my hand to mold it, and after this we'll put it in the fridge for it to chill for few minutes. Then we will now start making our cake shortbread. Yeah, don't mind the way my voice is. Like, guys, I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, love. So after the shortbread, we'll make another your malicious treat, which you guys saw in the beginning of the video. So I left this to mold for an hour, and this is what we are having. Okay, my small madam is also helping us out to bake this short bread. So this is what I have after molding everything. So I'm going to be slicing it in shapes I like. You can use any shape you want. So I'm going to be just slicing it in this particular kind of shape, and we'll do the same method and pop this in the Russian to me, down, upstream, are you with me? So loves, I baked this for 25 minutes, 15 to 25 minutes, and this is what we have. This tastes so amazing. Like, my family finished this on a spot. So here is the next thing we are going to be making. We are going to be making cinnamon roll with a very juicy topping. All right, so we need a warm milk and a cup of warm milk, 1 cup of warm milk. And as you guys know, my madam is also here with me, helping me out. Then we are going to be adding 2 teaspoons of yeast. After the yeast, we'll also be adding some egg, butter, 1 egg, and butter, and then we'll mix all those together. This is the butter we're adding, is already melted butter, so we're going to mix everything together. Then add my sugar. So adding my sugar, I will add a little bit of salt. After adding the salt, we will mix and we'll add our flour and mix that to a nice consistency that we will use to make our cinnamon. Rainbow, color in the city, ocean, downpour, upstream, all you with me, feel it. After mixing it, make sure you knead the dough with your hands. Okay, just the way I am doing it. You knead the dough with your hands, and the dough should not be too thick, should not be too sticky. If you use a clean hand to poke the dough, it should not stick on that your clean hand. All right, that's when you know that the dough is ready. And you clean film this and leave it in your oven for an hour or more, depending on how you want your dough to be fluffy. Don't mind me, I'm just dancing, moving to the vibes. One hour later, this is what we have. Our dough has risen, and we are going to start with the process. So I'm just showing people everything that went on in this vlog. Okay, so I was playing music in the background and making this cinnamon roll. And my small madam is also going to be making her own cinnamon roll as well. This is an amazing treat you can make for your family, the holidays, and or your loved one or your friends during the holidays. So I love making nice yummy treats for my family, and they always love when I bake, especially my brother. My brother loves it when I bake cinnamon roll. Bobby loves cinnamon roll as well. And they finished, they finished this thing the same day I made this cinnamon roll. They finish everything. So watch at the end of the video so you see how I made our Hi love, so in the process of making this, I had to back madam so that she can sleep because it's already past her sleeping time. So right now I'm adding butter. After I finish rolling the dough, I'm going to be adding a generous amount of butter. Don't worry, this butter is going to make the cinnamon roll very, very fluffy and soft. So I'm going to spray all the butter are all around the cinnamon roll. Sorry about how this video is coming. Please guys, please bear with me and watch it. I just need to post video because I'm I'm not being motivated again to vlog. I don't know why. Guys, I need God's intervention right now. So after this is my cinnamon. I added few spoons of cinnamon, like two teaspoons of cinnamon and 4 tablespoons of sugar. Yeah, so I'm going to spray this all around the dough. Then we'll roll the cinnamon. So besties, this is what it looks like. I've cut it in a section of how I want my dough. Then I'm going to be using this baking pan to bake it. Put butter in your baking pan. Then you place the cinnamon on just like this. You cover it to rise for another 30 minutes. Then you pop this in the oven to bake for 45 minutes on a 180-degree oven. All right. So when your cinnamon, you know when your cinnamon is ready when you see that it has like a golden top on it. This is the cinnamon roll cooking inside the oven, and looks so nice, right? Looks so beautiful. Are you with me? So for our toppings, we'll be using whipping cream, we're using vanilla extract, and we'll be using grounded sugar. Okay, like icing sugar. I can use icing sugar. I blended my sugar in the blender. So I'm going to be pouring all this cooking cream. Madam has slept, so I put her down. I'm going to put in all this whipping cream. I don't know what I'm calling cooking cream. Whipping cream in a cold bowl. Okay, then I'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then that my sugar I added according to my spirit leads me. Okay, so you add the sugar according to your spirit leads you. When you see that the cream is already molded, you will know when it's molded as you are whisking it. Yeah, so you now know that that is molded and it's ready. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and sorry about the way I am ranting and talking in this video, not being energized and motivated. We'll get there, it's well. Yeah, thank you all so much for the love and the support. I really do appreciate. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share and comment. You can super thanks me, you can super chat me, you can join my membership or join my membership. Yeah, so it's another way for you to support your baby girl, right, love? So you can make this for your family during the Xmas, and this feels so amazing. See, you don't need to buy icing spraying, whatever people call it, for your cinnamon roll or for your cake. You can make it at home. So my cinnamon roll is ready. This is what it looks like. It looks so amazing. And I'm going to set it and give people a little bit of mukbang. Okay, so keep on watching to see my mukbang in eating this delicious treat.
So love, this is it. This is sugar. Oh, how sugar. Oh, it's so nice. Sorry, I'm not eating it right, but oh my god. Mm, so good. Mm. Mm. Oh gosh. Mm. Oh god. Mm. Mm. This is so good. Sorry. Oh. Now wow. And some people they get they and some people they take get fat. But this is so good to ignore. So I'll finish this. Then can drink green tea and drink a lot of water to dilute the sugar. So loves. I'll catch you in my next baking. Don't mind my hands are all smooth because this is so good. Like so good. Bye.
So fam, this is the empty tray. I told you all that they finished everything. This is the empty tray. That same day, oh, I had to wash it. So I'll see you on my next one. Bye.